My days are always packed. I'm a full-time YouTuber content creator, have a full-time job and a family, raising my little daughter, and on top of that, I'm a travel photographer as well. So that being said, let me take you over a productive, realistic day in a life with my new desk setup I built. Starting my day, it's about 7 in the morning. Just woke up and get into my usual routine. I had to be quick this morning because I'm dropping my daughter to daycare. I headed straight to the gym so I can focus on myself, be productive for the rest of the day. These are my gym outfits. I'm wearing a training hoodie and a regular short. I'm gonna start with a cup of coffee. For breakfast, I keep it light with 2 eggs and a banana. I'm also taking vitamin B12, D and C to make sure I'm getting enough nutrition, especially since we don't get much sunlight here in Canada. After dropping my daughter off at daycare, I'm heading to the gym. I usually spend about 45 minutes working out, keeping things pretty simple and consistent. My focus is on building strength and developing lean muscles, so I stick to an easygoing routine that works well for me. Once I finish my workout, I make a quick stop at Sobeys to grab a few things which I forget on last grocery run, some brown beans and pasta sauce. Then it'll be time to head home and get on with the rest of the day. Alright guys, so I just came home and straight up I'm just gonna have my supplement, just my protein. Just using this whey protein, just a regular whey protein. I got it from Costco for like 39 bucks, something like that. Contains 24 grams of protein. For now I'm gonna have the supplement, and then I'm already hungry. I want to eat a lot though, you know. I got my black beans, and then I have chicken breast, and then some rice on it. Yeah, that'll do. After having a shower, I was starving, so I made a simple meal: red rice, brown beans, and grilled chicken breast. I also didn't forget to watch the FIFA World Cup at the same time. It's always nice to relax for a bit after a busy day. I mean, I can't be too relaxed because I'm heading out to do another project. Just finished my lunch. Yeah, it was a super productive day for me, and tired at the same time. But you know, never give up mode. It's about 2:10 p.m. right now. We are heading out to take some real estate photos for our next listing. So my wife is a realtor, if you guys don't know about it. It's about a 20-minute drive. I gotta make sure I'm taking every single thing with me: my cameras, lenses, batteries, chargers, everything, and then the drone coming with me as well. So I'm just getting that prepared, and then about 5 minutes we're gonna hit the road. Alright, I'm at the site now, so we're gonna be shooting this house. I'll show you in a bit. We're gonna be taking some interior photos, some exterior, and then some drone shots. Gonna be, I don't know, it's about 3:20, maybe about 30-40 minutes, and then it's super windy and sun is shining bright. Really nice day. You know, as soon as we're done with this project, heading home, and then start working on my other stuff. So, and then I will show you guys some behind the scenes shooting inside and out. After a tiring photo shoot, I'm back to my YouTube studio. Let me quickly show you guys my wardrobe. I got all of my favorite jackets here and hoodies, so I can change my outfits instantly for content creation, stuff like that, you know. So I want to start off with editing all of the photos of the real estate session, as this is the priority right now. I have to hand it over by this evening, so I'm fully focused on working on the photos. After finishing that up, I started checking my emails and replying to some brand deals, and then go check on my YouTube analytics just to see how my channel is doing. I'm really happy where I am right now. I can see a lot of you engaging with me. I started this channel 4 years ago, but become full-time YouTuber about 2 years now. I've got about 1300 subscribers, thanks to you guys. I really appreciate your support. Keep liking and watching my videos, so it's really helped the channel to grow. I have this whole cart of devices and I'm thinking to put this beside my desk setup. And also the tabletop, I had it before. I was thinking to use this for unboxing videos. It'll give a really nice effect on the video. So it's a bit tight in the studio, but I had to live with it, so I have no regrets. Before I started scripting my upcoming YouTube video, I have to clean my studio. It's not bad. I like to organize all the time so it does look nice and tidy. Also, I have finished my wife's office room. I've been working on this for a couple of days. Hopefully, we'll give you an office tour video from this channel as well. Just don't tell her I'm sitting like this. Anyways, it's 4 p.m. now. I started vacuuming the room. Normally, I clean once a week. It doesn't get messy a lot of the time unless I start filming the entire studio. It's actually a lot better. Now I feel welcoming to the studio, you know what I mean? And I thought playing PS5 just before I start working on my upcoming YouTube video. So I'm playing FIFA 26, bought it for $19, super cheap. I think there's a promotion going on right now because the FIFA World Cup is happening in North America. So I had to get it for that price. It's almost 6 p.m. now, and tomorrow I have to go back to work in the morning. So after the games I head back to the desk to start working on my next YouTube project. So I'm taking it slow and steady, just relaxing for a bit and start building my script. It's gonna take a few days to complete the entire script. All I need is the head start to work on it. So for now guys, I will say goodbye. Hopefully we'll see you guys from another video.